Hello everyone, I am Narita Singh and I will present my views on the topic Tobacco and Government Greed. The study of ASSOCHAM found that the sector contributes a whopping rupees 11,79,498 crore to Indian economy and employs estimated 4.57 crore people. Looks a big revenue source, right? There are 267 tobacco users in India. Each year, tobacco users kill about 1 million people, Indian people. This is a strong reason to ban tobacco in a country with so much exposure to tobacco. The government should ban tobacco, but they didn't. They try to aware the people by showing caution to health hazard, but they do not prohibit it. The revenue taxes are greed. They ties the moral responsibility of people. There are many poor people who die due to oral cancer. But government greed to collect revenue is an obstruction in the path of ban on tobacco. This central government has asked all the states and UTs to stop the production of tobacco products because spitting can enhance the widespread of COVID-19. But no legal action, no strict regulation has taken on this matter. This is the time to stop the use of, we can drop the use of tobacco, and government should use this pandemic phase to get rid of this hazardous habit. But their greed to collect revenue has limited them up to request. There is immediate need to ban tobacco to save the lives of many people. It's never too late. We can drop out the use of tobacco. Thank you.